Welcome to WinterFest Weekly, hosted by Tidings Ty. Now sit back in your sleigh and have a wintry week.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you'll be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
It's the happiest season of all.
To call. It's the happiest season. There'll be parties for hosting,
Marshmallows for toasting,
and caroling out in the snow.
The stories and tales of the glories of Christmas is long ago.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Stops roasting on an open fire,
There'll be much mistletoeing,
and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near.
it's the most wonderful time of the year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
The tidings we
Good tidings for Christmas, a Happy New Year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing,
and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near.
it's the most wonderful time.
Just the most wonderful time.
Oh, the most wonderful time of the
The holiday season is all about spending time together with your loved ones.
Which is why we're so thrilled you've decided to join us here at Canada's Wonderland for WinterFest.
Please give a big warm welcome to the Lamb family and Snoopy.
They'll be helping us light our 250-foot Christmas trees and all of International Street with a 10-second countdown.
Is everyone ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
If you like this video, you can now buy me a hot chocolate at buymeacoffee.com. I also love hearing your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment. Thanks so much for your continued support, and be sure to subscribe for more wonderful videos.